Welcome to Backyard Plus. In this video we show you how to replace the SmartJet water diverter valve in Hot Spring and Tiger River Spa. Before we get started, let's go over the tools and parts you will need. Tools you will need: flathead screwdriver, Phillips head screwdriver, snap ring tool or needle nose pliers, and pliers. Parts you will need: SmartJet water diverter valve kit, diverter valve snap ring, diverter valve retainer, snap ring pliers tool. Step 1. Remove the lever and bezel by prying upwards with a flathead screwdriver. Step 2. Loosen the two screws and remove the diverter valve retainer. Step 3. Remove the snap ring with a snap ring tool or needle nose pliers. Step 4. Pull upwards on the stem to remove the diverter valve. Step 5. Cover the two small O-rings with silicone grease and place them one at a time inside the donut piece. Step 6. Cover the large O-ring with silicone grease. Step 7. Place the diverter valve into the diverter valve body. Step 8. Place the large O-ring around the donut piece. Step 9. Gently install the donut piece over the stem and push it all the way down into the body until it stops. Step 10. Install the new snap ring over the diverter valve. Step 11. Install the diverter valve retainer. Step 12. Install the bezel and lever and test the diverter valve. Good job! You are now the hero. Thanks for watching. Our goal here at Backyard Plus is to save you money by avoiding costly service calls for repairs that you could easily do by yourself. If you have any questions or need to place an order, feel free to give us a call at 805-541-9000 or visit us online at backyardplus.com.